Okay, making that surgery job, which is removing this wall of tile complete and trying to access to this tank, remove tank, replace tank or frame. Possibly I had to replace the whole frame, maybe, I don't know, and then put new frame, and hopefully I can keep the toilet. I don't know yet, but this is my wish. Don't know if it's gonna happen or not, but we're gonna try anyway. So this is the job here. Hopefully I can manage to remove it all without breaking anything. So far so good. It's doing whatever I say, but you never know. Things can happen. Hopefully not. Okay, so now we managed to remove the tile wall to access to the cistern and correct the problem with ease. What we have now, the hole is at the level, lower than the level of the floor, the waste, and I have to connect this adapter here. This is so badly made, Jesus Christ. I don't know what to do, how to break that pipe. We managed to take the ceramics out, and we took that old flexi, which it was installed completely badly. Now we put a insert a pipe inside of the push feed connection, and we put the flexi waste. Now we're gonna connect the waste for the toilet and clip it with a clip in there, and it looks like it's all inserted the way it should be, and hopefully that'll be the end of this problem. Now unfortunately we had to cut this piece of metal off the frame, otherwise we couldn't connect this at all. So now we're gonna have to reinforce the frame against the wood, and then hopefully that will help to keep it in place. This is this clip ready to fit the toilet or clip hub, and we have the other part connected to the flexi, and the flexi is fully connected inside there with the piece of black pipe sleeve, so it's actually doing the job the way we were expecting. So now we're gonna connect toilet and stuff. That is a little bit move. Okay, let's work on that. When this project failed, this is the only amount of plastic they put with the rubber seal, and it's not enough, and you can see the mark of water coming all the way down here. Obviously this never sealed properly. It was always a leak. Obviously it was invisible because they probably it never went that amount, it went straight out. But that wasn't a good practice. It was completely wrong. Okay, let's put the tile wall back together and then keep going. We're gonna seal it all up and we're ready to put toilet. Seal now. And all we